Did your oil drain plug strip out like this one? Well, in this video, we're going to show you how to get this out without any special tools. So my son just bought a car and he's changing the oil for the first time. Went to take the drain plug out and it was all stripped. It was already stripped and he tried everything, couldn't get it out, so he gave me a call and I went over there to give him a hand. We're going to show you what we did to get this out. They do make a specialty socket for that, for strip bolts, but I wanted to see if I could get to this with Vise-Grips and get it out with Vise-Grips before we went and bought that. We didn't have any at the time. So what you want to do is get those Vise-Grips on there, and you want to get them real tight. You may have to go back and forth and make a couple adjustments to make sure that they are on tight. If not, it's just going to slip on there and you're going to strip the bolt more, even though this was really stripped to begin with. So once you get it on there tight, I'm going to try to remove it, and it shouldn't be that tight. Drain plug shouldn't be that tight, but this one was. I wasn't sure if that moved or if it stripped more. So I'm going to try one more time. I'm going to see if I can get a little better bite, because you shouldn't be getting them that tight, but this one is super tight. So I got it. Tried one more time and it's still slipping, so I just stopped. Okay, I'm going to try a different method. Instead of getting on the bolt head, I'm going to go up there on that collar, and I tried and couldn't move it. I had to get an extension from the jack and actually get that moved, and then I could move it, and then it came out easy. But it was on there very tight. Yeah, that was on there. It was really tight. You don't need to get these that tight. These have a little gasket on them, so I'd change these often instead of. I bet that gasket was wore on it, and they kept tightening it, because it was leaking a little bit. This completely stripped around on the old one. But just a couple of tips on using Vise-Grips. Whatever way you're turning, you want this to be towards the way you're turning. Like if I'm turning it this way, like I'm tightening, you always want that bottom part on there, and then it grabs on a little better whenever you're tightening. You wouldn't want to be trying to loosen it going that way. You want to turn this around where it grips better. But anyway, we got it. We had to get it on there real tight like that, get an extension on here, and that is just way too tight. But you can pick these up for about $5, so I would do that. If you have any problems with the start stripping, and why they use such a small diameter for that, I don't know. But anyway, it took us a little bit, but we got it out. Yeah, I'm just showing you how stripped that was. It was really rounded off. Backside has that gasket, and you couldn't really feel it, so I think that they had just tried to over tighten it because maybe it was leaking. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll talk to you in the next video.